Hey guys, it's Susan and Luke here with the Outdoor Gear Review, and today we have some more viewer mail for you guys.
That's right. This package comes from our good buddy Elias, and he really went above and beyond for this package. Thank you so much, my friend. I have to admit, we've already torn into it. We've been eating, munching on things. Fantastic.
Yes, it has been so tasty.
So tasty.
So let's show you guys what Elias sent us.
Okay.
So I'll just start with the letter that Elias sent in. It also has our logo on it, very cool. Basically, he had promised to send us some goodies, and he sent us some more of those really good cookies that we love.
God,
soft
they are
cakes.
so freaking awesome. They are awesome.
He loves the kind of the small time charm about our YouTube channel, which is cool, and this is just to say thanks. So.
Yeah.
We are saying thank you to you, Elias. It was very kind of you, and all of these goodies are so awesome.
You know, talking about like keeping the channel like that small time feel, you know, that is something that we've really made an effort to do here with the channel. Like, we've been approached by more people than you can imagine for like TV shows, I mean, all sorts of stuff, and we're not interested in that. This is what we like doing.
Our passion is more about just getting outdoors.
We could probably be millionaires by now if we took certain routes that we've been approached with.
Probably. But, you know, I'll just accept cookies and coffee.
Yeah.
You know, anyone that wants to send that stuff in, that's great. So, you know, companies, yeah, we definitely will say yes to cookies and coffee.
Definitely. We love cookies and coffee. And let's talk about those soft cakes. Guys, these are
They are
just
so
unbelievable.
good.
There
Yeah.
is nothing in the United States like this. I've never had a cookie like this. Have you?
No, not until the viewers started sending them in.
Yeah.
Yeah, very tasty, very good.
Susan and I just ate one, actually, just about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's true.
They're just like this chocolate-covered cookie that has like a jelly in the inside. They're just unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
So that's one of our tasty products that we got.
Right.
So we got some really tasty chocolate eggs, and we've actually torn into these too and had one. They were really good.
Very
I don't know
good.
what they are, but it is very good stuff.
Yeah, we can't read a single word that's on the packaging, so
No, but it's really good.
really good. And let's see here. What? I can't read any of this either. These are like little muffin cookie sort of things.
Yeah, some
Yep.
kind of soft cake.
Yep.
Yeah,
Very, very good.
very tasty.
Awesome with coffee.
Yes.
And speaking of which, I am having coffee now, folks. It's acid-free coffee. I could drink it just fine, no issues. That is fantastic in my coffee. All right, so we have this bar of chocolate. I don't know what this is, but I've actually been waiting to film this video so we can eat this.
Yeah, so we would probably tear into this tonight.
Yeah, tonight, maybe after dinner.
This was so cool that Elias thought to send us some meals for camping. This isn't something that we've seen in the United States, and it's great to check out freeze-dried meals from other countries. This is Trek and Eat.
And the first one here, I mean, this guy, he must know me very well because this is chicken and curried rice.
Yum.
I love curry.
Yeah.
I love curry rice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to take this out on a backpacking trip and eat it. This is beef stroganoff. We have Swiss muesli and milk. That's a breakfast thing. Chicken and curried rice. Beef stroganoff and rice. And Swiss muesli again. Thank you
you.
so much, my friend. You know, that pretty much wraps it up for this episode of Viewer Mail. And my friend, thank you so much. We really cannot thank you enough. I love trying the different foods from all around the world because this is not stuff that we would ever get to try if it wasn't for you all.
Exactly, and typically they're a lot better. The chocolate is always a lot better than what we get in the U.S.
You know, it's funny, like, I don't know why it is, but most chocolate here in the United States makes my teeth hurt.
Yeah,
Where
it's-
I could eat pounds of this stuff and it doesn't bother me at all. Very
yeah,
good.
Yeah.
So I don't know what the difference is. I don't know, but
But thank you for sharing with us. We
Yeah.
love it.
yep. Buddy, you are appreciated. Thank you so much. Guys, gals, everybody take care. Strength and honor. Have a good day. See you guys around.
Bye.
Bye.